Every morning, I wake up to the soft hum of my sewing machine waiting patiently in the corner of my studio. The sunlight streams through the large windows, casting patterns on the walls covered with sketches and fabric swatches. My name is Lily, and I am a clothing designer. Some people think my job is just about making pretty dresses, but it's so much more than that. It's about telling stories through fabric, creating something unique that makes people feel confident and beautiful. After brushing my teeth and pulling my hair into a messy bun, I head straight to my workspace. Today is special because I'm working on a custom piece for a client named Emma. She's getting married soon and wants a dress that reflects her personality, something simple yet elegant, with a touch of vintage charm. When she came to me last week, she brought a picture of her grandmother's wedding gown as inspiration. "I wanted to feel like her, but modern," she said. That challenge excited me. I start by sketching ideas in my notebook, letting my pencil glide across the page. Once I'm happy with the design, I move to the fabrics. For Emma's dress, I choose a soft ivory silk and delicate lace with floral motifs. As I cut the fabric, I imagine how it will drape over her shoulders and flow down to the floor. Every stitch feels personal, like I'm weaving a part of her story into the gown. By mid-morning, I'm deep into sewing. The rhythmic sound of the needle punctuating the silence calms me. Designing isn't always easy. Sometimes seams don't align, or fabrics behave unpredictably. But those challenges are part of the process, and overcoming them makes the final result even more rewarding. Around noon, I take a short break to sip tea and review my progress. Seeing the dress come together fills me with pride. Later in the afternoon, Emma arrives for her first fitting. She looks nervous as she steps into the studio, clutching the photo of her grandmother's dress tightly. I smile and guide her to the mirror. "Let's see," I say, helping her step into the half-finished gown. As she gazes at her reflection, her eyes widen with joy. "It's perfect," she whispers, tears glistening in her eyes. "This is exactly what I dreamed of." Her reaction makes all the hard work worthwhile. Being a designer isn't just about technical skills, it's about understanding emotions and translating them into art. After adjusting a few details, I promise Emma the finished dress will be ready in time for her big day. As the sun sets, I tidy up my studio, folding fabrics and organizing threads. Tomorrow, I'll work on another project, a bold red coat for a client who wants to stand out at an upcoming event. Each piece I create has its own story, its own purpose. Whether it's a wedding dress or a statement coat, every garment carries a bit of my heart and the dreams of the person who wears it. Being a clothing designer can be exhausting, especially when deadlines loom or ideas don't turn out as planned. But then there are moments like today, when I see the happiness on a client's face, and it reminds me why I love what I do. Fashion isn't just about clothes, it's about connection, confidence, and creativity. Driving home, I think about how lucky I am to have found a career that lets me express myself while making others feel special. Tomorrow will bring new designs, new challenges, and new opportunities to inspire. And I'll face it all with my scissors, needles, and endless imagination. Because in this job, every stitch tells a story, and I wouldn't trade that for anything.